Hey there, Bryce Altus here, Doctor of Audiology at Applied Hearing Solutions in Phoenix, Arizona. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to change the wax guards on your ReSound hearing aids. For this video, I'm focusing specifically on ReSound's SiriusStop Wax Guards. ReSound has been using the SiriusStop Wax Guard for over 6 years in their hearing aids, starting with the release of the Link Squared hearing aids in 2015, and they're still being used in the ReSound Lynx Quattro and ReSound One hearing aids today. The same SiriusStop Wax Guard is used in their completely custom hearing aids and in their receiver in the canal hearing aids, so the process of changing either one are very similar. So without any further ado, let's get started with changing some wax guards. All you're going to need for this procedure is the device itself and a pack of wax guards, which look like this. ReSound recently changed the look of their wax guard packs with the release of the ReSound One, but the actual wax guard itself is exactly the same, so it doesn't matter which pack you have, they're both going to work for this purpose. Additionally, it's not a bad idea to have a brush handy, or a tissue or a microfiber cloth or alcohol wipe just in case. It's not mandatory, but it's nice to have them readily available. For this video, I'll be using the receiver in the canal style of hearing aid, but the process is very similar for any of their custom products as well. I always start by examining the device and the earpiece. If there's any buildup of wax on the dome, start by brushing or wiping this off and proceed by taking the rubber dome off of the receiver. To do this, pinch the dome and peel it away from the receiver, similar to the way you would peel the backing away from a sticker. Once the dome is removed from the receiver, take a look at the opening of the receiver. And you should see a small white cap at the tip of the receiver. This is the wax guard. Next, look to see if there is any wax that is caught or stuffed in the opening of the receiver. If there is, then it's definitely time to replace the wax guard. Start by taking one of the black plastic sticks out of the pack and identify which end is empty and which end is holding the new replacement wax guard. Take the empty end of the plastic stick and line it up with the opening of the old wax trap and insert it into the opening by gently pushing it into the opening, while making sure the stick is oriented as perpendicular as possible to the opening of the wax trap. The plastic stick will catch the old wax trap and remove it from the receiver once you pull the black plastic stick away. To insert the new wax trap, simply flip the plastic stick over to the opposite side, and with the new wax trap on it, simply insert it into the same spot where the old wax trap was removed by gently pushing. Then simply remove the black stick away from the receiver by pulling it away from the device, and you should see that the new wax guard is staying in place in the tip of the receiver. To finish the process, simply install the rubber dome back onto the tip of the receiver and press down on the tip of the dome to ensure that it is completely seated onto the tip of the receiver. And finally, you can now discard the black plastic stick once you've put the new wax guard on. That's it. Now, you pretty much have all the skills you need to replace the old wax guard and put a new wax guard on your ReSound hearing aids. Depending on how much wax you produce, it's not a bad idea to replace these wax guards at least once a month or sooner if you feel like the hearing aid is weak or dead or just not working the way that it should. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos just like this, hit that subscribe button, and if you have any ideas for future content that you want me to cover in a future video, leave a comment in the comment section below. Thanks.